Ciao, sono Margherita e oggi voglio insegnarti delle parole che gli italiani usano moltissimo. Today I want to teach you some words that Italians use a lot. And the first one is cioè. Cioè has an accent at the end. It means that we need to put emphasis there. Cioè, cioè. It has different meanings. Usually it means that is. However, a special use of cioè in conversations is I mean, like. For example, cioè non capisco cosa vuoi dire. Cioè non capisco cosa vuoi dire. I mean, I don't understand what you want to say. The second one that you have heard, I know that, is allora. Allora. Allora has a double consonant. Allora. It means that we need to produce a longer sound. It is not allora, it is allora. Allora also has many different meanings. When we look at the use of allora in spoken Italian, two common translations are so and well. It can also mean then or back then, but when we use the language, usually in spoken language, it means so and well. For example, allora esco, vado via. Allora esco, vado via. Well, I'm going out. I'm going away. Allora. The third word is magari. Magari has two possible translations, maybe and I wish. For example, we can say, magari vado in Italia quest'estate. Magari vado in Italia quest'estate. Maybe I'll go to Italy this summer. The word magari has some hope. When we use magari, we are hopeful. You might have heard the word forse with the meaning of maybe. Forse. Forse is more neutral. Magari means maybe or I wish, but it is more positive, more hopeful. Next, tipo. Tipo means type, but when we look at the use of tipo in spoken language, usually it means for example or like. An example would be tipo andiamo a mangiare fuori stasera. Tipo andiamo a mangiare fuori stasera. Like let's go out to eat this evening. 5. We have a double consonant again. Ecco. Ecco. So it is not eco. Ecco. We also have a hard k sound because the letter C is followed by an O. Ecco. Ecco. Ecco can mean here it is, there you go. For example, ecco, ora ho capito. Ecco, ora ho capito. There you go. Now I understood. The next one, you probably don't know it. It is appunto. Appunto. Appunto can mean exactly or that's the point. For example, appunto è quello che dico. Appunto è quello che dico. Exactly, that is what I'm saying. Appunto. Comunque. Comunque. Comunque is another word that has so many different meanings in Italian. Some common ones in spoken language are however or anyway. For example, comunque andiamo avanti. Comunque andiamo avanti. We can translate this as Anyway, let's continue forward. Anyway, let's move forward. Anzi. Anzi. The first letter is an A. The vowel A is the most open vowel in Italian. That means that you're going to open your mouth more. A. Anzi. Anzi can be used with the meaning of rather or actually, also on the contrary. For example, anzi, questo sabato resto a casa. Actually, this Saturday I am staying at home. Anzi. Another word that is very common among native Italian speakers is dai. Dai doesn't have anything to do with the English verb to die. No. Dai. D-A-I. Dai. In spoken language, dai means come on or let's go. It is so common. You might have heard native Italian speakers say, dai, dai, dai. For example, I might say to you, dai, vieni con noi. Dai, vieni con noi. Come on, come with us. Dai. The last word that you probably already know is bo. Bo. Sometimes we move our shoulders up. Bo. Bo doesn't quite have a literal translation in English. The meaning is I don't know. Bo. For example, bo, non ne ho idea. Bo, non ne ho idea. I don't know, I have no idea. To recap, 10 common Italian words used in spoken language by native Italian speakers are cioè, allora, magari, tipo, ecco, appunto, comunque, anzi, dai, and bo. Well done! Now you know 10 words that are so common in spoken Italian.